स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे हम लोग PNB Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में और स्टॉक फॉल्स आफ्टर yesterday's and provisions other income its profit. Shares of PNB had its 52-week high earlier in the session. However, the stock has seen a sharp fall from those levels after the lender announced its December quarter result. Shares of Punjab National Bank Ltd (PNB), the state-run leader, fell from the height of the day on Monday, January 19, in response to the quarterly results for the October-December period. Net interest income or crore income earned by the lender stood at 10,533 crore, a decline of 4.5% from the same quarter last year, and also a miss on the CNBC TV 18 poll expectation of 13,798 crore. Net profit for the period grew by 13% from the year ago period to 5,100 crore, marginally higher than the CNBC TV 18 poll estimates of 4,073 crore. However, the profitable was edged by higher other income, which now grew to 5,022 crore from 30,411 crore. Asset quality improved marginally on a sequential basis. Gross NPA for the quarter stood at 3.19% from 3.45% from the September quarter, while net NPA stood at 0.32% from 0.36% in the previous quarter. A sharp decrease in provision also seen during the quarter. Provisions stood at 1,150 crore at the end of the December quarter compared to 643 crore during the July-September period. In its business update shared earlier this month, PNB Global Business grew by 9.6% from last year to 28.92 lakh crore. Disposals had increased by 8.5% year-on-year to 16.6 lakhs crore, while global credit deposit ratio stood at 47.21% from 72.58 last year. Shares of PNB are now trading 4.1% lower after the earnings announcement at 126.88. The stock is cooling off from the 52-week high level of 135.15, which it had earlier in the day.